Hello Internet. Today is another documentation in moving picture format in my adventures in lockpicking. I have two locks today. First one is the less than $5 lock from Walmart. The second is the Master Lock Commercial number 3. This is a relatively new addition to my collection of locks for practice. But let us begin. There we go. This isn't a particularly hard lock to pick open. It's 4 standard pins. The same setup that's supposed to be in the Master Lock Commercial number 3. 4 pins, all standard. And also open fairly quickly. So that is 2 locks picked. Now the cores on these are in fact very similar. 4 pins, no security pins, no spool pins, nothing no serrated pins, just 4 standard pins, which makes them comparatively easy to pick open. But of the two, the Master Lock probably has a more consistent quality across the number 3 line, which probably would make it the better practice lock to get. This, again, is a cheap $5 lock from Walmart, and I was never expecting much from it. So this is reasonably good. So this is probably also a good beginner lock as well. So as new, the Master Lock is probably the more expensive option. I did pick this up used. This is, again, less than $5. I picked it up at a Walmart. So that is it for this video / moving picture thing. Have a nice day. Subscribe if you want. See you around.